Hello, this is Brian from VisionRx Lab Canada. This is video 2 of ordering Nova AI progressives using the information and algorithms pulled from our VR unit program to finally order the progressive on our Nova website. Very importantly, this is the final screen of the first video, and it's going to give us the information we need to take to the next website. The mapping that you see in front of us, the far, the intermediate, and near, are the mappings that are going to be used for the final creation of the lens. The main information to move forward with from this first screen, this last screen, would be the 231 identification number. So we're going to remember a note that 231 identification number, and we're going to take that to the website that's going to be provided to you by VisionRx. This is a Nova AI website that'll give us more detail. So we take that information, we go to the Nova AI website, and you look at results. When you go to results, if you look at the last 3 digits, it'll say 231, the same 3 digits from the screen that we noted. If you open that up, you will see, hit view, you will see your mapping show up exactly the way it was from the VR unit, and even further information on what those targets mean that we took from the VR unit, what they actually mean. You have the opportunity to share this with the patient. It's not really necessary, but if you would like to, you always have the option. But the most important thing we want to take from this is the ID number that's located here, the 19 digits. If we hit copy, we can actually move on to the ordering website. So if you go to our homepage at VisionRx, you'll see this here, and to the right, it has order, online order. So then you would hit RX order, and you would type in your username and password, and you would get to the ordering screen. All your information would be located to the left, and then we can get started. You hit order entry, and we order entry, we would actually type in a patient name, and then we would decide if this is going to be edged by VisionRx or we're going to edge this in-house. So in this case, we're going to send the lenses to you for you to edge, so that would be uncut. You can edge the Nova AI lenses yourself. So for this particular order, we're going to say that the prescription is -1.25 -1 at 100 with a 225 edge, and -125 -1 at 110 with a 225 add. At VisionRx, we find it always best to use the standard shape. This gives us the best way to get the lenses to cut out properly and to get you the thinnest lenses possible while still cutting out. So we want to pick the shape. In this particular frame is going to be a 54, 38, 18, and you also have the opportunity to type in the name of the frame that you're sending in to us. Very important to us to be able to track your frame and make sure that we keep up with it. So in this particular case, this frame is a Jackson 1454, and it's a plastic frame, and the patient's PD is 32. The seg height is 23 in both eyes. So then if you click on right lens, our lens options will come up. A PAL, progressive, we're going to select that. In this particular order, we're going to use a 1.6. We're going to use clear lenses, and then Nova AI. We selected everything from left to right. This makes everything work properly if you start from the far left and you work your way across from what you need. Finally, giving us the options that we want. We're going to use the Nova AI 1.6 Blue Max Ultra, as that gives us blue light protection up to 420 nanometers. Then we're going to select the anti-reflective coating. This we're going to use Satin 3 UV, which is our most scratch resistant coating. And we're going to select no tint. Every order from VisionRx that's not transitions will have to have a tint selection. If there's no tint on the order, you definitely have to select no tint. And then you hit select. After we've done that, we've gone back to the main screen, and if you locate it to the right, it says freeform. If you click on the freeform, if you actually have a way to take the extra parameters, the panoscopic tilt, the face form angle, vertex distance, please use whatever instruments you have to key that in. It adds to the further customization and making things as accurate as possible. That 19-digit code we copied from the website, we place here. Once you've done that, everything has been connected. So all the information we took from your VR unit, all those additional measurements will be added to your order so that we can get those truly customized lenses for this patient. Every mapping is different. Every 19-digit code is different because the lens manufacturing is done custom for that particular patient. We'll go here. Now that everything is in, we'll hit availability to make sure it goes through. Everything passed. So the final step would be to hit place order. And this, once you hit place order within the hour, everything is in production. If you have any questions involving the Nova AI or how to key this into the system, please contact your sales rep or the office, and we can assist you with all of your needs in getting these orders in and accurate. Thank you so much for your time. You have a great day.